Like my age, when we grew up, you didn't see kiwi, you didn't see kiwi houses, you didn't have kiwi coming around schools. It was just not allowed, wasn't heard of. So to me, educating the next generation was important. I'm Robert Webb. My wife Robin and I are the founders of the Whangarei Native Bird Recovery Centre.
The right wing looks pretty bad. Found them in the paddock on the farm. Area Hakarangi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just bring him up on the deck up here and we'll sit him down where I can unwrap him.
Sweet.
I'll have a look. What have we done to it? What have we done to it? Let me have a look. Oh, you have damaged it, haven't you? Hey? You have damaged it, haven't you? My theory is that we must have sort of some magnetic aura around us. Because when you get a wood pigeon in, and you hold it in front of you like that in your hands, if you watch carefully at that pigeon's head, and they all do it, they will look at the outline of you from about there up. So the birds seem to sense that you're not going to hurt them. They're frightened, but winning their confidence gets rid of the stress. The stress makes the healing a lot easier. My skills are animal husbandry, learning how to work with the birds, how to get on with them. That's where my expertise is, so winning a bird's confidence is so important. The whole idea of it is to put the birds, nurse them back to health and then set them free. They're born to be free, not kept in cages. So it doesn't matter how good something is, it's not the excuse to keep it. Like Sparky and Snoopy both had a leg missing, so they wouldn't have survived in the wild, but they played a really important role with education. And to me that was getting through to the children, things like that. That was very important there. And a lady came up here with a daughter in a wheelchair. The daughter was 7 years old. Yeah, I come up inside and I got Snoopy. And I took him down, I sat him on her lap. And she was bumping him. Now I don't know whether you've been around IHC people, that sort of thing, when they've got animals. The animals don't care about it. And the mother said, look at that. I said, what's that? She said, the corner of her mouth, that's her laughing. She wasn't making any noise. But it really struck home that if that made a little girl like that really thrilled that she could laugh, education had to be the important thing. So that's why I would go around the schools visiting. You see all the things on the wall, you're going visiting the schools, the replies back from a lot of the children. You know you're getting the message through. And to me, like me wanting someone to take over from here, I want somebody to also take over looking after the birds in the forest. It's just something we wanted to put back into the community. Like, I don't get paid to work here. So you've either got to be totally dedicated or bloody silly, one or the other. I haven't worked out which one it is yet. Over the last few months, we haven't been leaving the centre here much before midnight every night. Because the volunteers go home at 4 o'clock and then we'll do the late shift of cleaning the birds, feeding them and everything like that. So you put in some massive hours, but it doesn't worry us. But it's just putting something back into nature again. It's different firms and businesses that have come on board. Hey, do you need this, do you need that? You know, now we're going to have solar on our building. Something I've always thought of doing, looking at. This is going to make such a huge difference to our success rate with incubating kiwi eggs and other birds. It really is.